We want users to be able to post replies to threads. So let's implement that. We'll create a mutation which we'll call create reply, and it will accept 2 arguments, which will be the thread ID and the reply content, which will be a string and required, and it will return the reply. Next, let's create the resolver. First, we'll fetch the thread with the particular ID. Now we can create the reply. Reply dot create. We pass an object containing the thread ID, the content, and lastly the user ID. Then we update the last replied at on the thread. So await thread dot update last replied at. Then we set it to the current date. Finally, we return the reply. Next, we need to import this file in the index.js file. Now, let's try posting a reply to our thread. I'm going to copy the ID of the thread, then create a new mutation, which will be for the create reply. And the content will be GraphQL is awesome. They want to return back the content. Thread ID is not defined. Let's see. This should be ID. Then this should be authUser.id. We try. And here we have our reply. Now, let's add the ability to fetch all replies for a particular thread. We update the thread definition. So we add a replies field, which will be a list of replies. Next, we need to add the resolver for this field. So thread.get replies. Again, this is made available to us by SQLize due to the relationship we defined between a thread and a reply. So we can test it out. And here we have it.